Pencils in a bag. Can you do this experiment with no leaks? You'll need a resealable plastic bag, water, and a few sharp pencils. Step 1. Fill the plastic bag with water, leaving a bit of room at the top. Seal the bag. Step 2. One at a time, quickly stick the pencils through one side of the bag and out the other. What happens? Dr. Zed explains, the bag doesn't leak because the plastic is a stretchy and flexible material. When the pencil goes through the bag, the plastic stretches around the pencil and seals the hole so no water can escape. Challenge: how many pencils can you get through the bag before it leaks? Have fun!